Imagine using today's technology to imbue nature with emotion. Let cold technology meet warm hearts to protect our nature. Pomderis washi is a kind of Australian local plant that has only been found around the upper Kangaroo River. Not many people know this plant since only 13 to 30 are left. Accidental damage by visitors can devastate this plant, and there is no signage to protect them at the Kangaroo River. The quickest and most effective solution is to place a conspicuous sign. An ordinary sign might be rigid to attract the visitor's attention. But what if it's an interactive signage with an electronic screen to show the emotion of the flower? The sign will be placed in front of the flowers. The electronic screen of the signage has a built-in sensor that can determine whether a human is approaching based on the detected body temperature and movement speed. Pomderis washi on the screen is endowed with emotion. When the human keeps a certain distance from the signage, the flower on the screen will show their happy feeling, and when the human is too close, the flowers will look scared or sad. This project used an emotional way to softly encourage visitors to stay on the designated trails and to minimize tramplings and habitat disturbance. It reminds humans that plants are also alive. Everything in nature should be respected. This project has also outlined how we can use code technology as a tool to create warm designs today. Imagine how we can protect our nature by innovating today's most common and popular technologies. Pomderis washi is an Australian plant that is highly endangered. Being eaten by wildlife animals is one of the biggest threats to these flowers. Deer is the most likely herbivore to cause further habitat degradation by trampling, grazing, and browsing. Luckily, we can solve this problem by using one of today's most popular technologies, drones. From the research, many herbivores dislike pungent odors, especially deer. The scent of lavender, rosemary, and oregano is the most hated scent by deer. Drones can diffuse strong odors based on the range of flowers to eliminate the risk of being eaten or trampled by herbivores. But that's not the only innovation. The drone can eliminate the threat and also help grow the Pomderis washes. From my design, the smart drone will have two jets, one for spraying the lavender-scented gas into the air to repel the animals, and another one for spraying the nitrogen and potassium nutrient solution to help the Pomderis washes growth. In this way, we achieve two ends with a single effort. This design can encourage and inspire designers to use and reuse the existing technologies and innovate them to increase their value. Imagine a day when you can explore the beauty of nature by walking in the sky. This is where imagination meets technology to protect and seed plants with attractive, personalized designs. Pomderis washi is an Australian plant that is highly endangered. The seed can only be released after the 100-degree treatment, which makes the flowers harder to spread. Accidental damage by visitors can be devastating to these plants. We are now introducing our newest design to solve this problem, customized rocket boots. When wearing these boots, visitors can explore the Kangaroo River area by walking in the sky. No more worries about trampling on the plants. The heat emitted by the rocket shoes during use can also help plants release their seeds. The most exciting thing about this design is that the rocket boots can be efficiently designed and made with 3D printing technology. Invisible solar panels on both sides of the boots provide energy converted into heat to allow the wearer to fly. This design keeps the human away from trampling the Pomderis washi and help them release their seeds. It's an eco-friendly design that not only protects the nature, but also realizes the dream of humanity, which symbolizes the combination of beautiful fantasy and realistic technology that can create more possibilities.